Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. आज इस वीडियो में हम कंबाइंड प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी डिस्कस करेंगे फॉर ऑल द अपकमिंग लॉ एग्जाम्स. देयर आर मेनी लॉ एग्जाम्स लाइंड अप. सेबी लीगल की रिक्रूटमेंट अनाउंस हो चुकी है. एडवांस इंटीमेशन 14th ऑफ मार्च को आया था. डिटेल नोटिफिकेशन अभी तक नहीं आई है. एग्जाम्स आर एक्सपेक्टेड इन जून और जुलाई. सिमिलरली देर इज IFSC लीगल जिसमें अप्लाई करने की लास्ट डेट 21st ऑफ अप्रैल है. बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की लास्ट डेट जा चुकी है. In this, there were vacancies for law officer in Scale 2 and Scale 3 post, then Oriental Insurance, in which there are vacancies for AO Legal, then NBCC Management Trainee Law, IBPS SO Law, IBPS RRB Scale 2 Law, RBI Grade B Legal, NICL Mains Exam. So there are so many exams which you already know are going to come in June or July, and there are many recruitments further expected in June, July, August. In one of my earlier videos, I have already told you the active recruitments and the upcoming recruitments. Today in this video, I am going to discuss how to prepare for all of these exams together. If you are eligible for many of these exams, or if you are in final year and you will be eligible after June, as I was saying, we are expecting many recruitments after June as well. So how you can prepare for all of these exams together? First of all, understand the common subjects in all these exams. English is one subject which is common in all these exams. These are non-legal subjects. Then reasoning is present in almost every exam. General awareness is present. Quantitative aptitude is also present in almost all the exams except IBPS SO Law and RBI Legal. RBI Legal has entirely a different pattern in which non-legal subjects except descriptive English is not there. Then descriptive English is mostly present in means or phase 2 of many of these exams. Coming to computer awareness, this is present in few of the exams. So these are some of the topics which are common for all the exams that you are preparing for. So keep in mind that you should be prepared for these non-legal subjects. In SEBI and IFSCA, there is no sectional cutoff in paper 1. तो उस केस में आप पेपर 1 के टॉपिक्स में सेलेक्टिव स्टडी कर सकते हो, एक सब्जेक्ट छोड़ भी सकते हो. मोस्ट ऑफ द लॉ ग्रेजुएट्स लीव द क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड सब्जेक्ट एंड देन IBPS SO लॉ में क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड आता ही नहीं है तो आपको वहाँ भी बेनिफिट होगा. बट उसके साथ अगर आप OICL एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो, आपका NICL मीन्स आने वाला है, आप NBCC की तैयारी कर रहे हो, उसमें आपको क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा. तो आप सबसे पहले अपने टारगेट एग्जाम्स देखिए, आप उन एग्जाम्स का पैटर्न देखिए और फिर आप अपना टाइम डिवाइड कीजिए, अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी बनाइए कि आप कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स में स्ट्रांग हैं, कौन से में वीक हैं और किस एरिया पे अभी आपको फोकस करना है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है. Then coming to the legal subjects, corporate law is common in all these exams. Then criminal laws are common, civil laws are common, constitutional law is common, law of contracts is common, administrative law is important for SEBI legal and IFSC legal, securities law आपका SEBI और IFSC में आता है, banking laws आपके IBPS exams, Bank of India, कुछ बैंकिंग लॉज IFSCA में और RBI लीगल में आते हैं, इंश्योरेंस लॉज आपके IFSCA और इंश्योरेंस एग्जाम्स में आते हैं. Then labor laws and codes. These come in public sector undertaking exams. NBCC management trainee law में labor codes आएंगे. Then Coal India Limited, Airport Authority of India Limited, उसमें labor laws आते हैं. Aviation laws, coal laws, petroleum laws, ये बहुत ही specific acts हैं which are relevant to an exam. तो ये उस टाइम पे पढ़ने में फ़ायदा है जब वो एग्जाम्स पास आने वाली हो. And then there are other laws and acts like Law of Torts, Consumer Protection Act, RTI Act, Information Technology, Competition Act, which are important for almost all these exams. So when you are starting your preparation for the legal portion, be prepared with the common areas first. Corporate law आपका strong होना चाहिए. This includes Companies Act, IBC, LLP. Then criminal laws. अब यहाँ पर confusion होता है, old criminal laws पढ़े या new criminal laws पढ़े. So as per my experience, I am expecting a mix of questions from the old and the new criminal laws. यहाँ पर new criminal laws में आपको ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है on the new provisions that are added or the major amendments in the provisions that are made. Then civil laws जिसमें आपका CPC, arbitration, transfer of property, limitation आता है, ये important है. Constitutional law almost every exam में important है. Law of contracts in this Contract Act, Specific Relief Act, Partnership Act, Sale of Goods Act is important. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव लॉ एज आई वाज सेइंग ये इंपॉर्टेंट है IFSC और सेबी लीगल एग्जाम के लिए. सिक्योरिटीज़ लॉ सेबी लीगल IFSC के लिए. बैंकिंग लॉज आपके IBPS एग्जाम्स के लिए. तो पहले आप फर्स्ट 6 एरियाज प्रिपेयर कीजिए, एंड अदर लॉज एंड एक्ट्स में से जो कॉमन एरियाज हैं उनको प्रिपेयर कीजिए। फिर जैसे जैसे किसी एग्जाम की डेट पास आती है या आपके टारगेट सेगमेंट एग्जाम्स कुछ पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्स हैं जैसे सेबी और आईएफएससी जिनका काफ़ी सिलेबस ओवरलैप करता है, तो आप उस एरिया पर फोकस कीजिए आफ्टर कवरिंग द कॉमन एरियाज. So in this way, you can target your preparation for multiple law exams together. And if you are looking for a course which can help you in the preparation, which can guide you in your preparation for all of these exams together, you can check out our Mega B Legal online course. This is an all-in-one course which will help you in the preparation of every law officer exam, regulatory body, banking sector, insurance sector, PSU related, every exam in the legal stream. SEBI Legal, IFSCA, PFRDA, RBI Legal, IRDA, NPS, in the banking segment, IBPS SO Law, IBPS RRB Scale 2 Law, Bank of India Legal. Then there are multiple law exams which are conducted by various banks for Scale 2 recruitment on a regular basis. Then insurance exams like NIACL, UIIC, OICL, and PSU exams like Coal India, NBCC Limited, HPCL, AI Law. Mega B Legal course will help you in the preparation of all of these exams. And we are starting a new batch for this Mega B Legal online course and also for all the legal exams. So if you're preparing for only one exam, you can still get yourself enrolled with the new batch for SEBI Legal only. Or you can get yourself enrolled in the Mega B Legal course for all the law officer exams, for all the legal exams. We are starting a new batch from 25th of April 2024. So you can check out our courses. The live class plan is attached in the description below. In the live class schedule, you will see that there are going to be classes held of English, reasoning, quants, GA, descriptive English, and master classes for legal subjects. In the master classes, it is also mentioned the relevance of that class. कंपनीज एक्ट की क्लास आपके सभी लीगल एग्जाम्स के लिए रेलिवेंट है. कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट की क्लास सभी लीगल एग्जाम्स के लिए रेलिवेंट है. एविडेंस एक्ट, कंपनीज एक्ट, देन देयर आर IFSC एक्ट जिसकी क्लास आपकी IFSC लीगल के लिए रेलिवेंट है. दिस इज अ 10 weeks class schedule. By following this class schedule, we are going to discuss all these topics by 30th of June. अब आपके काफ़ी एग्जाम्स इलेक्शंस के बाद जून एंड जुलाई में एक्सपेक्टेड हैं. सो कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड आपको QRE, GA और लीगल के काफ़ी फेज़ 1 के पोर्शंस, प्रीलिम्स के पोर्शंस मिड ऑफ जून तक ख़त्म हो जाएंगे. और उसके अलावा फेज़ 2 या मेंस के काफ़ी टॉपिक्स भी हम 30 जून तक डिस्कस करने की कोशिश करेंगे. There are few topics which are not added in this live class schedule. They will be added as and when any exam is upcoming. जैसे ही एग्जाम डेट्स अनाउंस होंगी, कुछ रिमेनिंग टॉपिक्स जो रह गई हैं उनकी क्लासेस भी ऐड कर दी जाएंगी. So you can check out this live class schedule. You can see whether this course can be useful to you or not. This can guide you in the preparation of all upcoming law exams or not. I have been telling you in my multiple videos that this period that you have got during the elections, this cooling period is an advantage in your hand which you can use to your best ability. You can prepare multiple subjects. You can prepare for many exams during this time period. Wish you all the best for your preparation, and I hope you are able to get a government job for which you are appearing this year in 2024. To know more about this course, to understand the offerings of this course, you can reach out to us on this number. You can also write to us on hello@iexambee.com. Join our courses to prepare 50% faster with iExambee. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.